Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rankup. Today the topic of our discussion is SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, and we will discuss its key elements: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO include keyword optimization, image optimization, page speed, and content marketing, whereas an off-page SEO include link building, guest blogging, and social media. And the tool which we use for it is SEMrush. As you can see in a SEMrush, its dashboard give you a brief overview of the site, and for deep dive analysis you can navigate through the site menu, just like in a site menu, the site audit that give you analysis of complete insight of the statistic and issues and errors, whereas the keyword research is one of the main feature of SEMrush, in which the keyword density, keyword difficulty, and volume we can find.